Hello children, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. In our previous class we discussed about the geometric progression, right? Geometric progression and harmonic progression and the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Am I right? Yeah. And we did some practice sheet problems also. Let us go to the exercise problems. Okay. So exercise 1. Let us say the first problem, that is, if A not equals to B, then which of the following statement is true? A value, B value is somewhat different, it seems, they are not equal. Then what is the condition, exact condition from the given options? What is the condition here? First one, A plus B by 2 is equals to root AB. A plus B by 2 means, did you identify this? This is the condition for arithmetic mean, and root AB will be the condition for geometric mean. Then second one, A plus B by 2 is less than root AB. Okay, na? Next, third condition, A plus B by 2 is greater than root AB. And that of fourth condition is given that A plus B equals to root AB. So, according to our previous class, we discussed that arithmetic mean is greater than the geometric mean and geometric mean is greater than to harmonic mean. So, according to our required option is this. Okay, now let us go to the second problem. The second problem is harmonic mean between 40 and 60. There are two numbers are given. Let us take that A value is 40, B value is 60. What is the harmonic mean formula? Harmonic mean H equals to 2AB by A plus B. Am I right? 2AB by A plus B. Substitute the values. 2 into 40 into 60 by 40 plus 60, 100. So denominator and numerator 2 zeros cancel. 48. 6 4s 24 into 2 48. Okay, now let us go to the question number 3. What is the third question is given that is the common ratio of the given sequence. The sequence is given minus 3 1, minus 3 1, minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 9 and so on. Common ratio we need to find. Common ratio R is equals to A2 by A1. A2 value 1 and A1 value minus 3. Nothing but minus 1 by 3. Okay, na? Then we can say that whenever it is asking about the common ratio, the given numbers are in geometric progression. Okay, na? Yes. So let us go to the next problem. The sum of infinite terms of given series. Sum of infinite terms. Let us see the series, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube and so on. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube and so on. So while you are observing this one, the given series is in geometric progression mostly. Let us try to check whether it is in geometric progression or not. Find A2 by A1 value. A2 value 1 by 3, A1 value is 1. 1 by 3 divided by 1 is nothing but 1 by 3 only. In same way, A3 by A2 value. A3 value 1 by 3 square and A2 value is 1 by 3. What is 1 by 3 square? 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9. And denominator fraction, when you transport the numerator, it will be reciprocal. So 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 1. Now 3 table cancel here 3 times. 1 by 3 will be the common ratio. So from this we can say that these numbers are in geometric progression, then sum of infinitive terms S infinity equals to A by 1 minus R, where R is less than 1. R value less than 1 or not, 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.333 something will come. So that means it is less than 1 obviously. Substitute the values. A value means first term 1 and ratio, common ratio 1 minus R value is 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 becomes 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 becomes 2 by 3. 2 by 3 bring to numerator, it will be 3 by 2. Therefore, sum of infinity terms of this given series is 3 by 2. Okay, na? So now let us go to the question number 5. The geometric mean is asking about 6 and 24. Geometric mean about 6 and 24. What is geometric mean formula? Geometric mean Z is equal to square root of AB. That is equals to square root of 6 into 24. I can write 24 as 6 into 4. Whenever it is root over, in the root there are two same numbers, one of the number will come without the root, and 4 also a square number, you can write 2 square, then 6 into 2 is 12. Geometric mean of these two numbers is 12. Now let us go to the next problem. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, 5 sums completed. Now let us go to the problem number 6. In an HPR, in a harmonic progression, if the second term is 3 by 5 and the third term is 1 by 2, second term or third term of harmonic progression is given. Question. Second term let us take A2 and third term let us take A3. Okay, the second term is given, that is second term of harmonic progression. HP is 3 by 5 and third term is 1 by 2. 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. What we have to find? We should find the first term. Okay, na? There in HP. Yeah, according to the condition, the difference must be equal, no? Okay, so let us find the difference is D is equals to A3 minus A2, that is equals to A3 value 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. So both are unlike terms, try to find it their LCM. 5 to LCM is 10 and 5 table 2, yeah, do the cross multiplication or else it will be minus 1 by 10. This is the difference, common difference. Okay. Now, when you know the common difference, A1 to get the A1 or A2, how the A2 will come? A2 is equals to A1 plus common difference. Am I right? So, A2 value we know that is 3 by 5. A1 first term we should find, and the common difference is minus 1 by 10. When you bring this to the plus 1 by 10, then A1 is equals to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Again do LCM, it will be 6 minus 1 by 10, that is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, the first term is 1 by 2. Next, coming to the 7th question. The 7th question is given the nth term of the sequence 2, 6, 18 and so on. Nth term of sequence 2, 6, 18 and so on is. What is this series? This series is in harmonic progression or geometric progression. Now let us see that difference. A ratio we find it. Ratio means R is equals to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 value 3 or 18 by 6, that is equals to 3. So common ratio is same. Then we can say that these numbers are in geometric progression. Then what we have to find? Nth term of the sequence. Nth terms an is equals to a into r power n minus 1. Okay, na? A value 2, r value 3, 2 into 3 power n minus 1 is the nth term. Okay, let us go to the next problem. The problem is given that if the fifth term of GP is 5, fifth term I can take A5, fifth term of GP is 2, A5 value is 2, then the product of 9 terms we need to find. So product of 9 terms means what? Yeah, 9 terms we can take first term. Okay, na? First term is A1 or A according to the geometric progression A, first term. Second term is AR, product, that's why I kept into between them. And third term is AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5, AR power 6, AR power 7 and A into R power 8. These are the first 9 terms. R2, R8, 8 terms and A 1 term, 9 terms. And what is A5? A5 is nothing but A into R power 4. A5 is nothing but A into R power 4, that is 2. Now while you are observing this one, A you can observe here multiplying A continuously 9 times, this is, we can write A power 9. And R how many times? R will be in 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36. Now I am going to write this one as A into R power 4 whole to the power of 9. Like A power m whole power n, or A into B whole power m formula, A power m into B power m, A power 9 into 9, 9 4 the 636. But we know already this one, A into R power 4 is nothing but fifth term value is 2. 2 power 9 is nothing but 512. Okay, na? 512, 2 power 9 value. Now let us go to the next problem. Okay, na? Question number 9. Yeah, the question number 9 is given that if 1 by B minus 1 by C is equals to 1 by A minus 1 by B. Clearly this one we already did it so many times. They are in harmonic progression. HP. 1 by B minus 1 by A equals to 1 by C minus 1 by B. When you do simplification, this one will get that B is equals to 2AC by A plus B. This is in harmonic progression. Let us try to check that problem number 10. That is, if third term of GP A3 value is given 4, A3 value is given, that is 4, and the next one, product of the first 5 terms we should find. A3 means nothing but A into R power 2, right? A into R power 2 value 4, product of first 5 terms, like previous problem what we have discussed. Same way you can do this problem and try to find the solution for this. Okay, na? You try this problem based on problem number 8. Now let us go to the problem number 11. The 11th problem is given that, if seventh term of GP is given, the seventh term of GP is 8 times of fourth term. Seventh term of GP is 8 times of fourth term. Seventh term I have taken as A7 and the fourth term I have taken as A4. And the fifth term is 48. We need to find the first term. Fifth term value is 48. A5 value is 48. We need to find the A value. A value is how much? Okay, now. So seventh term means what? A into r power 6. That is equals to 8 into. Fourth term is a into r power 3. Both sides a multiply when you transpose, divides and cancellation. Now r power 6 by r cube is equals to 8. R power 6 by r cube value is r cube, no. Using the law of exponent, a power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n formula. And 8 we can write as 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Cubes cancel, common ratio is 2. Okay, now? Now also given that a power 5. A power 5 value a into r power 4 is equals to 48. A is equals to 48 by r power 4. What is r value? R value we got 2. R power 4 means 2 power 4. 2 power 4 value 16. 16 table in 48. 3 times. Therefore the first term is 3. Let us go to the next question. Yeah. The 12th one is given that if x, y, z are in the geometric means between 6 and 54. X, y, z are geometric means between 6 and 54. I told you already, if there are n terms between the geometric mean, then the common ratio r is equals to b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1 formula. By using this formula, we should find then the z value. That is nothing but the common ratio only here, right? Okay, na? Let us try to find this one. Yeah, common ratio. Let us try to find the common ratio. R is equals to b by a. B value 54 and a value is 6 whole to the power of 1 by. How many terms are there here? Between 3 terms, no, 3 plus 1, 4 we should write it. Between numbers are 3. Between n numbers means 1 by n plus 1. Between 3 numbers means 1 by 3 plus 1, nothing but 4. So 6 table here, 9 times cancel. R is equals to 9 whole to the power of 1 by 4. 9 we can write as 3 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square, 3 into 3. And whole to the power of 1 by 4, nothing but a power n whole power n formula. A power m into n, that is equals to 1 by 2. 3 power 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of 3. Square root of 3. Okay, na? Now that is the r value. Now we need to find z value. This one. So if you are considering this one, first term, second term, third term and fourth term. We need to find the fourth term now. That means a4 is equals to a into r power 3. A value we already got, that is 6. R value root 3 whole cube. That's it. 6 into root 3 whole cube value. So from the options we will get that. Yeah, try to simplify this more. Root 3 whole cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. From root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 root 3 is our required answer. This is the z value. Okay, now. This is the formula, is very important to find these values. Let us go to the problem number 13. Yeah. The 13th problem is given that if H1, H2 and are in arithmetic harmonic progression between A and B, okay, then we need to find that H1 plus H2 by H1 into H2. H1, H2 are harmonic mean between A and B. We need to find that value. If these 4 numbers in harmonic progression, how can we write that? A2 minus 7, right? Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, between A and B, then H1 plus H2 by H1, H2 value we should find. So let us try to find the values actually. If they are in harmonic progression, their reciprocals are in arithmetic progression, right? 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. These are in harmonic progression. Apply that arithmetic progression, common difference is same. That means 1 by H1 minus 1 by A equals to, from this, 1 by B minus 1 by H2. These two difference and these two difference both are same. Minus H1, H2 bring this side, it will be plus H2. Sorry, 1 by H2. And that is equal to minus 1 by A when you transpose, that's it, plus 1 by A plus 1 by B. Simplify these, do LCM. H2 plus H1 by H1 H2 is equals to B plus A by AB, or A plus B by AB. Anything is same. That is our required answer. They are asking about this only. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 14, that is yeah, 14th problem is, if x comma y are two real numbers and if A is a half of their sum, if you take that A is a half of their sum and G is a square root of their product, A is equals to half of their sum, that means x plus y by 2, and G is square root of their product, square root of x into y. Okay, na? And H is the average of their reciprocals. H is the average of the reciprocals. Okay, then what we have to find? Then the condition we need to find. By using this condition, we can write this one as x plus y by 2xy. Am I right? Yeah. Now this is the value of H. Now try to multiply the first one and the second one, A into 1 by H. Sorry, let us take that A is the half of their, okay, half of their sum, and H is the average of their reciprocals. Average of their reciprocals. And we already discussed about these three, A, G, H. Relation between them is A into H is equals to G square, right? Same relation will come here also. Okay, now you can check the previous class how it comes. We'll go to the next problem. Yeah, question number 15 is given that if A, B, C are in AP, sorry, AP, A, B, C are in AP, then 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in. Yeah, for example, if A, B, C are in AP, how can we write that one? According to the problem, we can write B minus A is equals to C minus B. So nothing but simply 2B is equals to A plus C. Apply their powers first. Okay, na? Apply 3 powers. Then this will be 3 power 2B equals to 3 power A plus C. Okay, na? So try to write this one. 3 power B whole square equals to 3 power A into 3 power C. Can we write this one 3 power A plus C as 3 power A into 3 power C? Yes, we can write, because by using the law of exponent A power M plus N, we can be expressed as A power M into A power N, same way. So it is looking like middle term square is equals to product of first two terms, first term and last term. It is in GP, geometric progression. Therefore, 3 power b and 3 power a and 3 power c are in geometric progression. Okay, now? Yeah. Now, coming to the sum of the series 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square and so on infinity. I am erasing this one, okay? Yeah, I am going to explain the 16th problem here. The sum of the series of 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus and so on. While you are observing, this series is in geometric progression. Okay, na? This series is in geometric progression, and let us see that common ratio a2 by a1 is equals to 1 by 2 by 1, nothing but 1 by 2. Same way a3 by a2 equals to 1 by 2 square, 2 square value 1 by 2, a value 1 by 2, sorry, 2 square value 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 2 by 1, nothing but 1 by 2. So common ratio is same between the series, therefore the series is in geometric progression in GP. So we need to find the sum of terms. There are infinity terms are there. S infinity formula is a by 1 minus r. A value 1, first term 1, 1 minus r value 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only, and the reciprocal becomes 2. So sum of infinity terms S infinity is equals to 2. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Yeah, let us go to the next problem, that is 17th one. X is greater than 1, y is greater than 1, z is also greater than 1. All are greater than 1 only, are in geometric progression. Simply x, y, z are in GP. I think 17th one. Yeah, simply x, y, z are in GP. Then we need to find that 1 by 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x, and 1 by 1 plus log y, and next one 1 by 1 plus log z are in. So these three are in which progression? Again, this will be in geometric progression or arithmetic progression or harmonic progression. We need to find it. Okay, now let us check that. Now I am taking the given series. From this GPR means middle term square, y square is equals to x into z. Okay, now y square equals to x into z. Yeah. Okay. Now because x, y, z are in geometric progression, so y square is equals to x into z. First term, middle term square is equals to x into z. So from this y is equals to square root of x into z. Y is equal to square root of x into z. Now I am going to apply logarithms. Apply the log both sides. It will be log y, log of root xz, that is equals to log of xz whole to the power of 1 by 2. Square root is can be expressed as whole to the power of 1 by 2. That means log y is equal to square root of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 bring this side, that means 1 by 2 into log xz. Log xz formula can be applied as log a plus log b. Log ab will be log a plus log b, log x plus log z. Yeah, that will be in 2 into log y. So, but we should get 1 plus log x, 1 plus log y, 1 plus log z. Yeah, let us try to take Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, x, y, z are in GP. 1 by 1 plus log x, 1 by 1 plus log y, 1 by 1 plus log z are in. Yeah, try to apply the one both sets. Continue here only. So we should get 1 plus log y now. Try to multiply or try to apply. This is 2 into 1 plus log y. That means 2 ones are 2 we are adding here. 2 into log, if you add 2 here, 2 plus 2 log y. 2 I am just taking the common term. This will be 1 plus log x plus 1 plus log z. Okay, na? So from this we can say that 1 plus log y is equals to 1 plus log x plus 1 plus log z by 2. That means if you consider this 1 plus log x, 1 plus log y, 1 plus log z continuously, middle term is equal to sum of, means average of remaining two terms. So simply this is these three terms, 1 plus log x, 1 plus log y, 1 plus log z are in AP, then these are in HP, harmonic progression. Okay, na? Yeah, please check that. Now let us go to the next problem. The next problem is 18th one, that is the sum of sigma j is equal to 1 to 11, j value equals to 1 to 11 into 2 plus 3 power z. That means this meaning is 2 plus 3 power 1. Sum means sigma is nothing but sum of. Now second term 2 plus 3 square. Third term 2 plus 3 cube. That means j, in the place of j, third term we should put. Plus and so on. How many terms? 11 terms are there. That means from every term you can observe 2 is a common term. That means while you are writing this 2 plus 2 plus 2, how many terms will be? 11 times. 2 will be 11 times. I am taking 2 as a separate way. And remaining what? 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube and so on plus 3 power 11. That is also up to 11 times. 2 into 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 11 times. 11 to 22 will be the answer, plus this one 3 square 3 cube will be in geometric progression. Okay, na? A r power 1 r square r cube r power 4 like that. Geometric progression n terms formula, Sn formula what? Sn formula is a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Substitute 22 plus a value 3, r value also 3, r how many times? Here onwards. N value, how many terms? N terms. N terms means 11 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 22 plus 3 into 3 power 11 minus 1 by 2. This will be the answer. Okay, na? So let us check the answer. Then we will go to the next problem. 19th question. If the sum of the infinity terms of series, the series is given that that is 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4 square plus 3 by 4 cube minus 5 by 4 power 4 plus and so on, I think so, yeah, plus and so on equals to k. That means infinity, sum of infinity terms, okay, sorry, their sum is equals to k. We need to find the value of 15k and so on equals to k, it seems. While you are observing this one, there are two different terms or combinations are given. I am separating them. First one 3 by 4 cube, 3 by 4 power 5 plus and so on. This is the first combination. And minus, remaining all terms are starting with minus. I have taken minus as a common term. 4 square, 5 by 4 power 4, 5 by 4 power 6 and so on. Okay, now both are in GP only. Am I right? Yeah, first term is A. Now I am just finding the value for this. A value is 3 by 4. What is the common ratio? Second term by first term. Second term means 3 by 4 cube divided by 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means when you transpose like that, 4 by 3, that means 1 by 4 square. 1 by 4 square means 1 by 16. So for this S infinity formula, A by 1 minus R. So from this A value 3 by 4, 1 minus R value 1 by 4 square. 1 by 4 square value 16. 1 by 16. 1 minus 1 by 16. 1 minus 1 by 16 value is 15 by 16. When you transpose, it will be 16 by 15. Here 4 times cancel, here 5 times cancel. This answer will be 4 by 5. First one answer will be 4 by 5. Now try to find the second one answer. Here first term A value is 5 by 4 square. Then the common ratio R equals to, R value is second term by first term. So this is also 16 only. So same way S infinity formula, A by 1 minus R value, what we get? 15 by 16 when you transpose to numerator, 16 by 15. So this will be 1 by 3. Okay, na? One value is 4 by 5, second value is 1 by 3. Okay, now I am doing this one. Required answer K is equals to 1 by 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Okay, na? Simplify this one. LCM is 15. Here 12 minus 5, that means 7 by 15. We need to find 15K. K value 7 by 15. This denominator 15 transpose this side becomes multiply 15. 15K is equals to 17. This is our required answer. Okay, na? Now let us go to the next problem. Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. That is, which term of the GP is, the given GP is given, that is I think question number 20. Which term of GP, the given GP is given progression, geometric progression is 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on. 1 by 19683. Which term this one? Will it be 5th term or 10th term or 12th term? That we should find it. So before that, what is the first term here? A value 1 by 3. Find the common ratio. A2 by A1. A2 by A1. A2 value 1 by 9 divided by A1 value 1 by 3. Take to numerator, it will be 3 by 1. So that is also 1 by 3 after cancellation. Now which term this one? That we don't know. Let us take that one is nth term. An is equals to 1 by 19683. An formula A into R power n minus 1. So A value we know already. A value is 1 by 3. R value 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. That is equals to 19683. Here both are the same terms, means numerator can be, exponents can be added. This will be 1 by 3 whole to the power of n. It indicates the denominator 19,683 can be the powers of 3. Let us identify the powers. 19683. So 3 table, 3 6 are 18, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 are 18, again 1. 3 table, 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 8s are, 3 7s are. Okay, na? Again 3 table, 3 7s, 3 2s, 3 9s. So 3 table, 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 3s. 3 table 81 times, 27 times, 3 table 9 times, 3 times, 3 table 1 time. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this we can write as 1 by 3 whole to the power of 9. Left hand side 1 by 3 whole to the power of n. Right hand side 1 by 3 whole to the power of 9. Therefore, it will be the ninth term. Okay, na? Yeah, let us go to the next problem. Okay, that is 21. Yeah, if 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on. 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on are in, this series is in geometric progression and 64 is the xth term. Xth term will be 64. Then x minus 7 value we should find. We should find the x minus 7 value. So from this, first term is 2, common ratio. Second term by first term will be root 2. Now this nth term will be formula. Let us take this nth term a into r power n minus 1. Okay, na? A into r power. Nth term is n minus 1. X term is x minus 1. 64. A is the first term. If you transpose that set is going to divide. What is the a value? We have 2. 2 table 64 32 times. Okay. Now r value also we know. Root 2 whole to the power of x minus 1 is equal to, this is 2 power 5. 32 value 2 into 2 into 2 like that, 2 power 5. Now this will be 2 power, root 2 value nothing but whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here already x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 will be there. So x minus 1 whole by 2. Both bases are same, we can equate the exponents. So x minus 1 value, 2 divides when you transport is going to multiply 10. Therefore x value is 11. Therefore the 11th term is our required answer. Next question. 22nd one, that is in a geometric progression. In a geometric progression, a1 value 3, an value 96. a1 value 3. Next, an, nth term is 96. Okay, next, Sn value 189. Sum of n terms value 189. Then the value of n value we should find. What is an formula? A into r power n minus 1, that is equals to 96. Okay, na? A value 3, when you transpose the set, a value will be divided by 3. 96 by 3, that is nothing but 32 times. R power n minus 1 is equals to 32. Okay, na? Yeah. Now Sn value. So from this we can express this one as, simply we can write that this is 2 power 5. 5 we can write 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 we can write, r value can be compared, but we don't know exactly the r value, right? Okay. Now let us go to the, apply the Sn formula. Sn formula what? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. But r power n minus 1 is different, r power n minus 1 is different. So from this I can write this one, r power n minus 1 I can write r power n by r. Okay, na? That is equals to 2 power 5. Now r power n is equals to 2 power 5 into r. Okay. Now in the place of r power n, I can substitute, in the place of r power n, I can substitute 2 power 5 into r. Now Yeah, A value is 3 and R power n value is 2 power 5 into R minus 1 by R minus 1. That means R value we don't know. Yeah, R minus 1. That is equals to 189. Try to find the R value first. Now this will be 2 power 5 means 32. 32 into 3 is 96 R minus 36 is equals to 189 into R minus 1. Okay now. Now from this I can write 96 R minus 36 equals to 189 R minus 189. Numbers one side, letters one side. Minus 189 bring this as plus 189. Here minus 36 as it is. Now 189 R like that only. 96 transpose minus 96. Subtract the numbers here 3, here 6. Here 163. Okay, no, sorry, 153. 153 equals to this one 3. Here 9 minus 6, 3 and here 9. 93 R. So from this R is equals to 153 by 93. 3 table 31 times. 3 table 51 times. 31 by 15 R value we got. From this R value we can find the N value. Here substitute here. Yeah. 2 power 5 into R. Okay, 1 second children. R minus 1 is equal to 189 R. 189 R into S. So this will be 30. Yeah, sorry, 3 this one actually. Not 36, this one 3. 32 into 3, 96. But 3 into 1 is 3 only. So instead of this, I should write 3. Yeah, 1 second. So this value will be 3, 3, 3. And this will be 186. Okay, now? So 186 by 93, then the R value is 2. So when you compare here also, you will get the R value 2 only. Okay, now? So from this equation, then what is the N value? N value will be 6. But we should learn the process now. That's why we did like this much of process. Okay, now we'll go to the next problem. Problem number 23. Yeah, the 23rd problem will be given that if ABC are in harmonic progression and AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 15, then CA value. You just try this problem and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day and bye-bye.